Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, ipupuntahan ko yung mga ate ko kasi ngayon ay Good Friday. Kaya let's go! At ito pala si Pulgoso. Hi Pulgoso! Good morning! What is happening for you? Are you okay there? Are you hungry? I will feed you. Wait please. At ito pala si Doray, ang aming diary. She's very white. Hi, Doray. What is happening for you? Are you okay there? Charing! May Jurassic pala ditong color red. At ito naman si Whitey. Hi, Whitey. Anong masasabi mo sa mundo? Okay lang ba yung mundo natin ngayon? Hi, super sweet. Ito pala si Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Are you there? Punta na pala tayo sa labas kasi maghihintay tayo ng sasakyan. Pero sa paghihintay natin ng 2 hours ay wala talagang sasakyan at katao-tao. Kaya bumalik na lang ako at nagmumuni-muni dito sa puno na ito. Guess nyo, anong name ng puno na ito? At kakain muna tayo ng ating breakfast. Meron tayo ditong una, may shrimp, may isda. Sobra pa yan yung mga customer namin kahapon. Sayang naman itapon kaya dinala ko na lang. That's all for today's video guys. See you in the next video guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Thanks for watching.